Use protection when handling inks, as they are corrosive. Turn off and unplug the printer before handling any components. We will need a screwdriver and the new capping. First, we unscrew and remove the whipper. Then, we unscrew the capping plate. We unscrew the capping. Once everything is unscrewed, we remove the capping plate and disconnect the tubes. We remove the capping. We check the position where it needs to be placed. Next, we place it and connect the tubes. Once everything is in place, we put the plate back and screw it in. Now we put the whipper back in place.